It's Vlogmas Day 10.
Starring me.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure that you also click that bell so that you get notified of all my videos. And that's on period.
Poo.
Period. As y'all know, I got this little thing with me. Thing.
Big thing. Whole lot of, go ahead, touch it.
No.
Touch it.
Anyways.
She knows she do.
Make sure that y'all click that bell so you can become my family. And if I'm lit, you can be lit too. That's all you gotta do. But anyway, okay. I'm just gonna get straight to it. So I listed 10 ways that you can make money around the holidays, of course, Christmas. And I'm gonna just get right into it. Let's do it. Anyway, okay, so number one on my list is gift baskets. Like I said in my last video, you could do gift baskets. You could buy stuff from like Dollar Tree, Dollar General for cheap, and just like do little baskets, put them together and sell them. That way you make a profit and you'll have, you know, some money to go back and do the next little basket.
But on this time, a lot of people was gonna want baskets, like gift baskets, anyways.
It's cheaper.
So
I'm dead. Not
right
not
there,
the this.
right there. That's on the ding.
What, the thumbnail?
Mm-hmm.
Come on,
And then you gotta put the little bit.
come on. No, I'm not doing all that.
Yeah.
All right. So number 2 on my list is you could like put people's Christmas trees up for them. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. You could put people's Christmas trees up. I know many people, excuse the background, y'all. That's his nephew and his mom. But, but, yeah, so, like, you could put people's Christmas trees up. I know that some people don't really, like, putting their trees up and, like, doing their own decorations by themselves. So, like, you know, you can get some extra money off of that. Just simply doing that, I guess.
That's quick money.
I know y'all can come do mine because I still ain't put mine up. So, and I got 2.
I don't think I'm doing a tree. Can I have one?
Whoa. One's going downstairs and one's going in the hallway. Yeah. Mom, if you're watching that. Mom, if you're watching right now. You so bougie, sis. But I love you, girl.
If you watching, I'm taking one of y'all trees.
It ain't even an if. She gonna watch.
Well.
But anyway.
Here's the head warning ahead of time.
Anyways, he's stupid. My stomach hurts. Number 3 on my list, we have, you could sell like accessories. I know that that's really common. A lot of
like
people do that nowadays.
Stuff.
Yeah, you could sell like Christmas ornaments.
Gift wrapping, anything.
Anyway, number 4 on the list is bake Christmas cookies or like brownies or whatever whatever desserts that person might want.
The holiday kind.
Yeah, of course. Like there's one. Y'all gotta get. But then again, some people might just want regular cookies or like brownies or cake, whatever. So if you know how to bake, you could definitely make some money off of that. Everybody like a little sweets here and there, so I know I would get some off of y'all. I'm fat, and yeah. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't feel good. And no, it's not COVID, so don't even come for me. Anyway.
Ooh, not the COVID.
Chill.
Oh no.
Chill. Number 5 on the list, we have cook. So like, I know that some people are less fortunate, or not less, I'll say less fortunate. Like less fortunate or don't feel like cooking for the holidays or whatever the case may be.
You could probably make meals and deliver them to people for the load.
Yeah. Or just do like a simple catering. It doesn't necessarily have to be just the
From your
plate.
heart and here.
No, you gotta do it from your foot. Put your foot in it.
No.
Not literally. That's nasty.
We're gonna hope they ain't really putting their foot in it.
Yeah, 'cause I'm suing you.
Definitely.
But, okay. So, number 6 on our list, we have a photo shoot. So, like, if you're good with pictures, if you're good with taking pictures and everything, you can get some money off of that. If you get, like, a little nice, cheap backdrop and you have, like, a little open space. People love getting their pictures taken for Christmas. I know I want my pictures taken for Christmas. So
I think everybody taking pictures this year.
So yeah, like that's a quick way to make some money, and that's not cheap for real. But people will, you name the price and they'll pay it, basically. So yeah. Number 7 on the list is do other people's Christmas shopping. I know, like, some people can't get out and go shopping. So like if you going to the mall and you just make like a status on Facebook or Instagram and you just be like, I'm going Christmas shopping, you know, da 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 da, and you get that stuff for them. And of course, you know, you name the price that you will want and they'll pay it because they gonna need them gifts. And that's
I
just
actually
on
know
period.
people that do that too.
And yeah. That's just that on that, y'all.
Don't mind my 2 alfalfas.
I got you covered.
I didn't sleep with the do-rag.
Okay, so number 8 on the list is snow shoveling. I know many people don't like having snow in their front yards or.
That's snow shoveling is probably the fastest way to get money too.
Yeah.
Out of everything else to do around this time.
And it's very common. I mean, there's no snow on the ground right now, so don't think you're about to make some money
Depending
right
on
now.
where you are.
Yeah, but if there's a lot of snow, you can make some money. You can just make money like that.
You want a pizza?
You can make money like that.
All right, hold on.
Simple.
Bro.
Hold on, y'all. Alright, sorry about that, y'all. He wanted to be in the thumbnail, so y'all will see that most likely. Okay, so where's that number 8? Okay, yeah. So we already touched base on that. Snow shoveling, depending on where you are, wherever you live, whatever the weather is. Number 9 on the list we have house decoration contest. I know that some neighborhoods, depending on where you live, neighborhoods will do like who has the best decorations on the outside. It necessarily won't matter on the inside, but if you go big and go, it's either go big or go home with those. I know that people, you will get paid for doing those. You get a prize for that. So
isn't there a house here in Pittsburgh that went like?
I think so.
Yeah.
I don't really.
Like couple years, they've been in the paper and all that for a couple years over their house.
That's very,
real nice decorations.
very common. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm so sorry. Number 10 on the list is sell Christmas trees. So, like, I would say this because I know that they are pricey. But I would say this. If you are a person that consistently buys a new tree every year, I would say start saving your old trees and sell them. And I bet you.
Yeah.
Like, especially if you, like, not saying.
If you keep them nice.
Yeah, if you keep them nice and you're just the type of person you don't like keeping old stuff.
Like, if it's a tree you took out the box and put right back after Christmas and it just sits there, you could probably sell that.
Yeah, just sell it, you know, make some quick money.
Unless you
and get a new tree for the next year, if that's already what you do anyway. So yeah, that's all that's on the list, but I did want to add some more as I was going. You could clean off people's car. Like, if there's snow in a car, or if it's just dirty, you could do a quick little car wash. Because I know some people like to clean their house or clean their cars before the holidays so that everything is out of the way.
You think they could do that with, like, shoveling, but, like, add a little extra for that? Like, yeah, shovel, but, like, if you want your car and all that done, too, it's, like, a little extra.
Well, yeah. But if you don't have a shovel, then
Better.
you better get a bucket in a mop. That's wet.
Acting like that.
But yeah, so that's basically all that we have on the list. So
Time out. As y'all
y'all,
can see,
he's corny.
go shop with her.
Period.
I mean,
Shot with me.
real satisfied customers. She has more than these anklets, everything.
Period. I'm gonna put my website down in the description box as well as my social media accounts. As always, without further ado, that's it for the video. See you guys in the next one. And yeah, I love you guys. I can't believe it's already Vlogmas is day 10, y'all. It's day 10 already.
This month's going fast. This whole year went fast.
Yes. But
The
it's
world.
day 10 and we still didn't go Christmas shopping together, y'all. So I gotta take y'all with me because we need to get a couple things, don't we, y'all?
She ain't getting nothing.
Anyway, I love you guys. I know you guys love me. And that's it for today.